Hello everyone, welcome to Siggy Cooks. Did you know that you should eat 5 to 6 servings of different fruits and vegetables every day? Because different colors gives variety of important vitamins and minerals essential for a healthy balanced diet. Green vegetables are especially low in calories, high in fiber, rich in iron, rich in folate, and abundant in vitamin A, C, E, and K. In this video, I've shared a simple spinach and kale stir fry. You can use any locally available greens of your choice. And it's important to cook the vegetables the right way to ensure maximum absorption by the body, without the use of heavy spices, and cooking the vegetables just enough so it retains all the nutrients. I've shared a simple to prepare healthy green stir fry, ideal for those who want to eat healthy and lose weight. And I try to include ginger in all my cooking as it helps in better digestion, eliminates toxins from the body, and lowers cholesterol. And try to include lemon whenever you cook any greens, as vitamin C from lemon increases iron absorption from the greens. I've also included few mint and coriander. Together with spinach, they greatly enhance the iron content. In a cooking pan, take 1 teaspoon of coconut oil. Coconut oil is a good source of healthy fat. Add half teaspoon mustard seeds and half teaspoon cumin seeds. Give a quick stir. Add grated ginger and half teaspoon turmeric powder. Stir for a few seconds until they become aromatic. Now add the chopped greens. Saute until the greens wilt down. Add chopped mint and coriander. Add required salt and saute for 2 or 3 more minutes. Now switch off the flame. Add few drops of lemon juice only after the greens cools down. Also add few grated coconut for extra healthy source of fat. A very quick to prepare stir fry, very light and refreshing. Give a thumbs up if you like this video and share your valuable feedbacks and comments. And if you're new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe so that you can stay updated with all my future video uploads. See you very soon in another interesting recipe. Until then, happy cooking and stay healthy.